Is your Telnyx connection acting up and refusing to register? Let's get that fixed in just a minute and a half. First, let's tackle the most common culprit: incorrect credentials. Double-check your SIP username and password. In your Telnyx portal, it's easy to mistype something, so pay close attention to capitalization and special characters. Make sure you are using the correct authentication method based on your device settings. Now, let's verify your SIP endpoint configuration. Ensure the outbound proxy is set to SIP Telnyx.com and the port is 5060 for UDP or TCP or 5061 for TLS. These settings are critical for proper communication with the Telnyx platform. You can find all these settings in your portal under Connections. Next up, it's time to examine your firewall. Your firewall needs to allow UDP or TCP traffic on ports 5060 and 5061, or allow traffic on the range 10,000 to 20,000 for RTP. To and from Telnyx's IP addresses, check the Telnyx support documents for the most up-to-date list of these IP addresses. A restrictive firewall can block registration attempts. Let's rule out network issues. Run a quick speed test to ensure you have a stable internet connection with sufficient bandwidth. High latency or packet loss can disrupt the registration process. Try restarting your modem and router to refresh your connection. If you've checked your credentials, endpoint settings, firewall, and network, and you're still facing registration problems, it's time to reach out to Telnyx support. They have experts available to assist you with more complex issues or to investigate potential problems on their end. They can also see details about your connection that you can't. And that's it. By systematically checking these common issues, you'll be well on your way to resolving your Telnyx registration problems and getting your connection back up and running smoothly. Don't forget to check out the Telnyx documentation for more detailed troubleshooting guides and facts.